Well. Hello, everybody. How y'all doing? It's good to see you again. Today is, what is today? I never know what today is. Okay. Today is January 21st. And, 2023. 21st? Man, when it become the 21st, I'm not ready for it to be going by so fast. But anyhow, there's a truck in my way up there. Hey, he ain't gonna let me out. What's he doing? Got me blocked. Okay. So anyhow, today, January 21st. Can you believe that? I still can't believe it. I don't think that guy's gonna be able to get in there. He may have to back up some, but I gotta get out of here. All right, go ahead, man. I'm out of your way. Anyhow, me and Adam's over here doing some work at the railroad. We got to clean up a spot, and I came out a little bit too late, so I don't know how well we're going to do, but we're going to do the best we can. I'll show y'all what we're doing here. Okay, the task at hand today is to clean up all of this brush around here and all that over there. We want to get it all done and carry it up here and load it on the trailer and haul it off. Okay, I'm going to get something and try to pluck that stuff out of there with. You see these grasses right here? Them need to be pulled up. Everything in here needs to be cleaned up and hauled out. Everything you pull, throw it up here so we can haul it off, okay? I'm gonna get a shovel where I can pull everything up. Well, me and Adam is waiting for that train to go by. Hopefully it will not block us in here. Run, Forrest! Very long train. We waited a long time. How long do you think it was?
10 minutes.
You remember you said you found a neat rock earlier? Look at the rock I found. You ever seen a rock like that?
No.
How in the world, what do you reckon caused that rock to be, look, perfectly round with a hole in the middle? What do you reckon caused that?
Might be concrete.
Concrete?
Yeah.
You don't know what that is?
No.
That's a grinding stone. What you do is you put there's a motor hookup, and you put this on the motor, and it spins it, and you sharpen your knives and stuff with it. How you like that? You want to take it home and sharpen your knives? That's a grinding stone. Okay, we're going to go up here. It's starting to get dark on us. So, Spitfire is going to grab here comes that train again. I thought we was going to be blocked in over there. He's going to grab the blower and blow the sidewalks off while we was carrying that stuff up the hill. And then we got to go dump this second load. Blow the stuff. Don't blow it in them grates, okay? Blow it, down there. Blow all that stuff off, clean it up.
Wait. Where'd you want me to blow again?
Blow it back into the rocks. Okay? And the road here, blow it off.
Right.
And I'll sit here and wait for you. I'm in pain. Okay, we on the way home. It's 6:11. And if it wasn't for Adam, I wouldn't gotten much done today. I'm sore. I had a crick neck. It's finally going away a little bit. It was so much pain. I couldn't believe how much pain it was. And it's like it's getting better now, but now I've got a really stiff back. And I almost fell down that bank over there earlier. I don't know if y'all noticed that. I'm just falling to pieces, man. So thanks and kudos to Adam. He pulled it through today. Without him, like I say, we wouldn't have been able to get it done. And did you notice some of the comments? Some people had some real nice things to say about you. One of our regular viewers, Lou Robert, he said you was a forward thinker.
Thank you, Lou.
Anyways, I want to get Adam trained, and I wanted to teach him how to drive this summer. He's turning 15, but he said something kind of worried me a little bit. What'd you say, Adam?
I said I want to go fast.
He wants to go fast.
Even though I know it's bad to do that, but I'm not talking about like on the road fast, but like on like trails fast.
Yeah. Well, fortunately these days they've got apps you can put on these people's phones, and you can tell how fast they drive. And if I decide to go ahead and teach him how to drive, and then next year he gets his license, and I see that he's abusing it, I won't let him drive with me no more. Now, what do you think about that? Huh? So y'all talk some sense into Adam. You know, he's only 14, but he's fixing to be 15 in February. And so, you know, we don't want him driving fast. Anyways, that's what we did today. And Mariah's been up and around. She said her gut's not hurting as bad, so we're hoping she's healing up now. And you know, the 1st of March we start mowing all of our businesses, so we'll be back to mowing soon. Boy, can you believe how late it is? I mean, January the 21st. The time's just flying by. Anyway, so we're going to wrap it up. Thank y'all for tuning in. We're going to leave the camera running in case Adam does anything interesting.
What?
We're going to leave the camera running in case you do anything interesting.
Not talking is interesting.
Sing a song. Do you know your songs?
I know a lot.
Do you know any songs?
Yeah.
What do you know? Huh? What song do you know?
I know songs by Katy Perry.
What song do you know by Katy Perry?
All of them, basically.
Huh?
All of them, basically.
Alright, let's hear your favorite one.
California Girls.
Alright, sing California Girls.
No.
Huh?
No.
Why not?
I don't feel like it.
We're gonna make you famous. Someday you might be on American Idol. Do you want to be on American Idol?
Not really.
Most kids want to be on American Idol.
Well, they have the courage. I do.
What are you afraid of?
People.
Nobody's in here but me and you.